Ever wished you could just magically move money directly from your Xero account? Like, wouldn't it be awesome to pay bills, reimburse employees, or even just move funds between accounts without leaving the platform? You're not alone. Many businesses wonder if Xero has that kind of direct money transfer capability. And the short answer is, well, it's a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Let's dive in and explore the different ways you can move money around when using Xero. First things first, Xero itself isn't a bank. It's primarily an accounting software. So, you can't directly initiate bank transfers from within the Xero interface like you might expect from your online banking. But fear not. Xero offers several powerful integrations and features that make moving money a breeze. 1. Bank feeds. This is your bread and butter. Xero seamlessly connects with your bank accounts. You'll see your transactions automatically imported into Xero, saving you tons of time on manual entry. While not a direct transfer feature, it gives you a clear picture of your cash flow within Xero. 2. Bank reconciliations. This is where you match transactions between your bank statement and your Xero account. It's crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your books are always up to date. Though not a transfer method itself, it helps you track all your money movements effectively. 3. Xero payroll. If you're paying employees, Xero payroll is a game changer. You can easily process payroll within Xero, and the system can automatically generate payments to your employees' bank accounts. This streamlines payroll significantly and reduces the risk of errors. 4. Bill payments. Xero allows you to create and send invoices to your customers. Many integrations with payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal are available. Once your customers pay, the funds are typically deposited into your bank account, which then reflects in your Xero transactions. 5. Expenses. Xero lets you track business expenses easily. You can upload receipts, categorize expenses, and even automate some expense reimbursements. While not a direct transfer, it helps you manage and control your spending effectively. So, while Xero itself doesn't have a built-in feature for initiating direct money transfers, it provides a robust ecosystem of integrations and tools that make managing your finances incredibly efficient. Here's a quick recap. Bank feeds. Automatic import of bank transactions. Bank reconciliations. Matching bank statements with Xero. Xero payroll. Streamlined employee payroll processing. Bill payments. Easy invoicing and payment processing. Expenses. Effortless expense tracking and management. Now, let's talk about some key considerations. Bank integrations. Ensure Xero integrates seamlessly with your bank. Most major banks are supported, but double-check compatibility. Payment gateways. If you're accepting online payments, choose a payment gateway that integrates well with Xero. Security. Always prioritize security when dealing with financial transactions. Ensure all your integrations and connections are secure. Moving money effectively within your business is crucial for smooth operations and financial health. By leveraging Xero's features and integrations, you can streamline your financial processes and gain better control over your cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.